Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk More English.
Hi, friends. I am Jake, and this is Sarah.
We are so glad you are listening to us today.
Today, we have a really fun and useful topic.
Yes, today we talk about your daily routine in English.
A daily routine is what you do every single day.
You wake up, you eat, you work, you sleep.
These are all parts of your daily routine.
And today we will teach you how to talk about it.
We will use simple words and easy sentences, as always.
You can listen, repeat, and practice with us.
Are you ready? Let us begin right now.
Let us start with the morning. What do you do first?
The first thing you do is wake up.
You can say, I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning.
Or, I wake up early. Or, I wake up late.
After you wake up, what do you do next?
You get out of bed. I get out of bed slowly.
Then you go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom.
You brush your teeth. I brush my teeth every morning.
You wash your face. I wash my face with warm water.
And you take a shower. I take a shower every morning.
Some people take a shower in the morning, some at night.
I take a shower in the morning. It helps me wake up.
After the shower, you get dressed. I get dressed for work.
Get dressed means you put on your clothes for the day.
Let us practice the morning routine. Repeat after me, please.
I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning.
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
I take a shower and get dressed for work.
Great job! Your morning routine sounds perfect.
Now let us talk about breakfast, the first meal of the day.
Breakfast is very important. It gives you energy.
You can say, I have breakfast at 8 o'clock.
Or, I eat breakfast before I go to work.
What do people usually eat for breakfast?
Some people eat eggs and bread for breakfast.
Some people eat cereal with milk in the morning.
Some people eat fruit and yogurt. That is healthy.
And some people just drink tea or coffee, nothing else.
You can say, I usually have eggs and bread for breakfast.
Or, I just drink coffee in the morning. I'm not hungry.
Or, I eat a big breakfast because I need lots of energy.
Or, I eat a big breakfast because I need lots of energy.
Usually means most days, not always, but most of the time.
Let us practice breakfast phrases. Repeat after me now.
I have breakfast at 8 o'clock every morning.
I usually eat eggs and bread for breakfast.
I just drink coffee in the morning.
Wonderful. Now you can talk about your breakfast easily.
After breakfast, most people go to work or school.
You can say, I leave the house at 8:30.
Leave the house means you go out of your home.
Or, I go to work at 9 o'clock every morning.
How do you go to work? We learned this in another episode.
I take the bus to work. It takes 30 minutes.
Or, I drive my car to the office every day.
Or, I walk to work. It is only 10 minutes away.
You can also say, I start work at 9 in the morning.
Start work means your workday begins at that time.
And, I finish work at 5 in the afternoon.
Let us practice. Repeat after me, please.
I leave the house at 8:30 every morning.
I take the bus to work. It takes 30 minutes.
I start work at 9 and finish at 5.
Excellent. You described your work schedule perfectly.
Now let us talk about what you do at work or school.
You can say, I check my emails first thing in the morning.
First thing means the very first activity you do there.
Or, I have meetings with my team in the morning.
A meeting is when people sit together and talk about work.
Or, I study different subjects at school every day.
You can also talk about your lunch break.
A lunch break is the time you stop working to eat lunch.
You can say, I have my lunch break at 12:30.
Or, I eat lunch at the office with my colleagues.
Colleagues means the people you work with, your work friends. Or, I go to a restaurant near the office for lunch.
Let us practice. Repeat after me now, please.
I check my emails first thing in the morning.
I have my lunch break at 12:30.
I eat lunch with my colleagues at the office.
Great work. You sound very professional.
Okay, work is finished. What do you do after work?
After work is a great time to relax and have fun.
You can say, after work, I go to the gym to exercise.
The gym is a place where you exercise and stay healthy.
Or, after work, I go home and rest for a while.
Rest means to relax and do nothing. Just take it easy.
Or, after work, I pick up my kids from school.
Pick up means to go and get someone from a place.
You can also say, after work, I meet my friends at a cafe.
Or, after work, I go to the supermarket to buy food.
Or, after work, I take a walk in the park near my house.
Let us practice after work phrases. Repeat after me.
After work, I go to the gym to exercise.
After work, I go home and rest for a while.
After work, I go to the supermarket to buy food.
Perfect. You have a great after-work routine.
Now, let us talk about the evening. What do you do at night?
The evening is the time after dinner until you go to sleep.
You can say, in the evening, I cook dinner for my family.
Or, in the evening, I order food and eat at home.
Or, in the evening, I eat dinner at about 7 o'clock.
After dinner, people do many different things to relax.
You can say, after dinner, I watch TV for about 1 hour.
Or, after dinner, I read a book in my bedroom.
Or, after dinner, I spend time with my family at home.
Spend time means to use your time doing something with someone.
Or, after dinner, I study English for 30 minutes.
That is a great habit, Jake, studying English every night.
You can also say, I call my parents in the evening sometimes.
Or, I listen to music and relax on the sofa.
Let us practice evening routine phrases. Repeat after me.
In the evening, I cook dinner for my family.
After dinner, I watch TV for about 1 hour.
After dinner, I study English for 30 minutes.
Wonderful! Your evening routine sounds really nice.
And finally, it is time to go to sleep.
Your bedtime routine is what you do before you sleep.
You can say, I brush my teeth before I go to bed.
Or, I take a shower before bed. It helps me relax.
Or, I set my alarm for the next morning.
Set my alarm means to prepare the alarm clock to wake you up.
You can also say, I go to bed at about 11 o'clock.
Or, I go to bed early because I wake up early.
Or, I go to bed late because I like watching movies at night.
You can say, I usually sleep for about 7 or 8 hours.
That is healthy. Everyone needs good sleep to feel well.
Let us practice bedtime phrases. Repeat after me, please.
I brush my teeth before I go to bed.
I set my alarm for 7 o'clock in the morning.
I go to bed at about 11 o'clock every night.
Great! Now you can describe your whole day in English.
Before our sample conversation, let us learn some time phrases.
Time phrases help you tell people when you do things.
Every day. I exercise every day. This means all 7 days.
Every morning. I drink coffee every morning without exception.
Every night. I read a book every night before bed.
In the morning. I am very busy in the morning.
In the afternoon. I have meetings in the afternoon, usually.
In the evening. I relax in the evening after a long day.
At night. I go to bed at about 11.
Before. I eat breakfast before I go to work.
After. I rest after I come home from work.
Then. I wake up, then I brush my teeth.
These words connect your routine and tell the order of things.
Let us practice. Repeat after me now.
Every day, I wake up at 7 o'clock.
After dinner, I relax and watch TV at home.
Excellent! You are using time phrases perfectly now.
Now, let us hear a full sample conversation. Listen carefully.
Okay, we are two friends talking about our daily routines.
Hey, Jake, what does your typical day look like?
Well, I wake up at 6:30 every morning.
Wow, that is early. What do you do after you wake up?
I take a shower and get dressed, then I have breakfast.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs with bread and drink some tea.
That sounds nice. What time do you leave for work?
I leave the house at about 8 o'clock every day.
How do you get to work during the day? Do you drive or take the bus?
I take the bus. It takes about 30 minutes.
And what do you do at work during the day?
I check my emails, go to meetings, and work on projects.
What time do you have lunch at the office?
I have lunch at 12:30 with my colleagues usually.
Nice. And what time do you finish work every day?
I finish at 5, then I take the bus home.
What do you do after work when you get home?
I go to the gym for 1 hour, then I cook dinner.
And what about your evening? What do you do at night?
After dinner, I watch TV or read a book to relax.
What time do you usually go to bed at night?
I go to bed at about 10:30. I need my sleep.
Me too. That was a great conversation, everyone.
Now pause the video and practice describing your own day in English.
Wait, let us also talk about weekends for a moment.
Good idea. Weekends are different from regular workdays.
On weekends, you can say, I sleep in on Saturday morning.
Sleep in means to wake up later than usual, nice and relaxing.
Or, on the weekend, I do not set my alarm clock.
Or, on Saturdays, I clean the house and do laundry.
Laundry means washing your clothes in the washing machine.
Or, on Sundays, I spend time with my family all day.
You can also say, on the weekend, I go out with my friends.
Or, on the weekend, I visit my parents at their house.
Let us practice weekend phrases. Repeat after me, please.
I sleep in on Saturday morning. It feels so good.
On Saturdays, I clean the house and do laundry.
On the weekend, I spend time with my family.
Great! Now you can talk about weekdays and weekends.
Let us do a quick vocabulary review together now.
Wake up, to stop sleeping and open your eyes.
Get dressed, to put on your clothes for the day.
Brush your teeth, to clean your teeth with a toothbrush.
Have breakfast, to eat your first meal of the day.
Leave the house, to go out of your home to go somewhere.
Start work, when your working day begins at the office.
Finish work, when your working day ends and you go home.
Lunch break, the time you stop working to eat lunch.
Colleagues, the people you work with at your job.
Go to the gym, to go to a place to exercise your body.
Cook dinner, to prepare the evening meal in your kitchen.
Go to bed, to get into your bed and get ready to sleep.
Set the alarm, to prepare the alarm clock to wake you up.
Sleep in, to wake up later than usual on a free day.
These are all very important daily routine words to remember.
Now, here's your practice challenge for today, everyone.
Describe your full day in English, from morning to night.
Start with, I wake up at every morning.
Then say, I have breakfast at, I usually eat blank.
Then, I go to work at, I take the bus or I walk.
Then, after work, I go to the gym or I go home.
Then, in the evening, I cook dinner and watch TV.
And finish with, I go to bed at blank every night.
Can you describe your whole day? Try it right now.
Pause the video and speak out loud. You can do it.
Okay, everyone, time for our final review of the episode.
Today, we learned how to talk about our daily routine.
We learned about the morning routine, waking up and getting ready.
We learned about breakfast, what you eat, and when you eat.
We learned about going to work and what you do there.
We learned about after-work activities and evening routines.
We learned about bedtime and useful time phrases.
We practiced a full conversation about a typical day.
And we even talked about weekend routines, too.
You did an absolutely amazing job today. Well done.
Practice talking about your routine every day this week.
Tell a friend or just talk to yourself. Every word counts.
Please like this video and subscribe to Talk More English.
Leave a comment. Tell us about your daily routine.
We love hearing about your lives. It means a lot to us.
Thank you for watching and learning with us today, everyone.
Keep practicing, keep talking. You are doing so well.
See you in the next episode of Talk More English.
Bye-bye, everyone. Have a wonderful day. See you soon.
Bye! We believe in you. Keep going. See you next time.